The open-ear audio space is evolving rapidly, and OpenRock is pushing boundaries with its latest innovation. The OpenRock Link 20, the world's first open-ear earbuds with a magnetic detachable communication mic. Built for professionals, athletes, and multitaskers who need reliable sound and crystal-clear communication. The Link 20 promises to combine comfort, durability, and cutting-edge audio engineering into one lightweight package. The OpenRock Link 20 package includes everything you need to get started: two open-ear headsets, a magnetic communication mic, a sleek charging case, USB cable, clear user manual, and safety guide. At first glance, the OpenRock Link 20 looks futuristic yet practical. Its defining feature is the detachable boom mic, which snaps instantly into place via strong N54-grade magnets. Protected with MagShield Fusion tech, the connection is resistant to sweat and corrosion, ensuring more than 10,000 attach-detach cycles without signal degradation. The earbuds are ultra-light at only 9 grams each, and designed with an ergonomic tilt for maximum comfort during long shifts. Combined with liquid silicone tips and 0.8mm titanium wire ear hooks, the Link 20 provides a secure and pressure-free fit suitable for over 13 hours of continuous use, whether you're on a business call, running, or working outdoors. Durability is also a highlight, with IPX7 waterproofing for the earbuds and IP55 dust and water resistance for the magnetic mic. These are built to survive sweat, rain, and daily wear. Equipped with Bluetooth 6.0, the Link 20 offers fast, stable connections with a range of 50 feet indoors and up to 99 feet outdoors. It also supports dual device pairing, letting you switch effortlessly between your laptop for work calls and your phone for music or workouts. The OpenRock app takes customization to the next level. With 3 sound profiles, entertainment, sport, and meeting, you can instantly adjust the audio experience. Additional features like Find Device ensure your earbuds never go missing. The OpenRock Link 20 is more than just another pair of open-ear earbuds. It's a game-changing communication tool that blends comfort, durability, and smart innovation. From its magnetic detachable mic and noise-canceling 5-mic array to its ergonomic lightweight design, it checks all the boxes for a headset that works just as well in the office as it does outdoors. For anyone looking for a versatile open-ear headset with superior call quality and cutting-edge design, the OpenRock Link 20 is a top contender.